In Palo Pinto County, 1,000 acres charred.
It's a lot.
But this isn't just land to Billy Horton, it's decades of memories.
We've had this property since 1976.
He drove us in to see the place he once again needs to recover because of a wildfire.
Yeah, it's a barn. Brings back memories from 2012. Had a really bad fire here in 2012. And it burned a lot of this.
Texas A&M Forest Service's Adam Turner says it's called the storage fire.
So the origin point of the fire is actually over here behind the storage unit right here.
Every year, it takes resources from in and out of state to save people and property.
Something that we're always concerned about is, when's Palo Pinto County going to pop off?
200 homes are under an evacuation order. The fire started Wednesday, and as of Friday afternoon, it is 35% contained.
So this pink is the fire retardant.
And what started it?
So we've ruled out any natural causes, so it is a human-caused fire.
I don't know when people are going to learn to quit doing things that start fires this time of year.
It's someone else's mistake that leaves Billy with a burnt-down barn and equipment that'll cost him more than $100,000 to replace.
Hell, it jumped the creek, Craig. It's clear over here now.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
We thought we lost our house, but the house didn't burn.
Billy's grief is surrounded by gratitude.
Thank God.
For the firefighters.
Sorry.
Those Blackhawks would be able to hold it pretty good.
Who saved his house.
And never thought twice. And I mean, we're standing here talking right now, but yesterday, it's just nothing but an inferno. And these guys were fighting it.
Billy's barn, his land, and 1,000 more acres.
Have to rebuild again.
Should never have burned at all.
And overhead, we have been constantly seeing these Blackhawks. They're carrying water over there to continue putting out this fire. Now, with the 4th of July weekend coming up, the Texas A&M Forest Service is warning people to not use fireworks this weekend. Don't drag chains behind your trailers. And of course, keep your tires fully inflated. Anything that you can do to prevent a fire. In Palo Pinto County, I'm Tiffany Liu.